Hey, Algebra Kids, this is Dr. Callahan with week 14 Tuesday. How are you guys doing? Go ahead and pause the video and answer the following 3 questions. Here's your answer for question number 3 with a FOIL. All right, today we're going to go ahead and get started on this part right over here. It is under week 14. Monday's no, and I'm aware that today is not Monday, it's Tuesday, but it's going to be under there. So let's take a look at the first one. We talked about graphing with intersections. So to find the intersection of this parabola, I'm going to go ahead and graph this one. This one is going to be 3 down, 4 to the left. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then here is your parabola. Then you're going to go ahead and graph this part right here, which is y is equal to 6. You can go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and draw your straight line. Now your answer for this question is going to be the intersection of where these two graphs click, for the red and blue. So that's going to be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1, 6. So now that I went ahead and did this one, I'm going to have you guys to do the one that's on the side. So you try that one. Okay, let's go into the second one right here. So looking at this graph right here, we're going to start graphing this one on the left side. The 2 means that it's going to be narrow. The 1 means that you're going to go 1 to the right, and then that's it. So 1 to the right, and it's going to be a narrow parabola. Go ahead and graph this one, y equals 2. And the point of intersection is going to be at this point right here, which is at 0, 2. And this point here, which is at 2, positive 2. So now that I did this one, I want you guys to try that one on your own. So you try. All right, let's go into the third one. So let's go ahead and graph this one right here. So this is your first part, 4 up. And then this is going to be a sad face because it's a negative. And since A is smaller than 1 because it's 1/3, it's going to be a wider or fatter parabola. So we're going to go 4 up, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to go sad face, but it's a wider parabola. Then go ahead and graph the right side, y equals 1. And we're going to find the point of intersection between these two. So that looks like that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, negative 6.5, and negative 1. Oh, you know what? I'm sorry. I graphed this incorrectly. It should be on top. So let's try that one more time. Y equals 1 is right here. Sorry, that was negative 1. So that point is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5.51. You guys try this one on your own. All right, let's go on to the next one here. So with this one, this is going to be 3 to the left, and it's also going to be a sad face. So 1, 2, 3, and it's going to be a sad face. But it's going to be a regular, normal shape sad face. Here, y equals negative 4, so go down 1, 2, 3, 4. So my point of intersection in this situation is going to be at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, negative 4, and 0, negative 4. Now you try. Okay, second to last one, you guys. So for this one, we're going to graph this first part, 5 down, 1 to the left. And since A is greater than 1, it's going to be a narrow parabola. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 to the left, narrow parabola. Then let's go ahead and graph this one, y equals -2. And the point of where they're connecting right here, first point is on -2, -2. Second point is going to be at 0, -2. Now you try. Okay, last one, you guys. So the first part right here means I'm going to go 1 down, 3 to the right. And since a is smaller than 1, it's going to be a wider parabola. And so it looks something like this. And you have y equals 1, like this. So your first point is going to be at 0, 1. Your second point is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. Now you try. Okay, so now that we're done with this, I want you guys to go ahead and fill out this part right here and go ahead and graph them. And now what I want you guys to do is go on this page. I want you to pick any 10 questions. And I want you to go ahead and graph it on a big grid that looks like this. So if you're at home and you don't have this available, what you can do is you can just go ahead and draw the x-axis, the y-axis, and pick any 10 questions. All right, you guys, as always, I hope you have a wonderful week. I'll see you guys next time. Take care.